Using 3D information detection, DEEBOT can recognize beds, sofas, tables and chairs, etc. Open the app to access the main screen. When 2D house map is complete, tap the 3D icon to jump to the 3D map display page, which displays the automatically recognized furniture. Tap Home Furnishing and tap the Indoor Furniture. Adjust the position and size, or edit the 3D map walls. Tap Save after editing your settings. Tap the Furniture Area Cleaning button and then select the furniture graphic on the map. Then tap the Start button in the bottom left corner to start efficiently cleaning around under the specified furniture. Say OK Eco to wake up the machine and start issuing voice commands. Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.